I'm gonna stop and get some coffee before we go into the building.
Should I wake them up?
Yeah, we're almost there.
Okay.
Are you serious?
Customer park. Let's go be customers.
And what part of the filming process is this, Michael?
I'm gonna get some coffee before we head out to the building.
Sounds technical.
Nope.
Should we just
coffee.
Should we just hang tight? Yeah. Really though.
Should we just hang tight? No, we need all the assistance in the world to get coffee.
So I can get coffee.
You do take a while. You're
you
quite
can't
the
take that
dawdler. What? Why?
Just go, I don't know. Watch the equipment. You can't take it until. You can't take a camera.
It's a whatever, dude. Hey, Mike. The hell is this? Hey. What? Roll your window down. You guys okay?
What the fuck was that?
Barely. What the hell?
He tried to open the door.
Can you just get your coffee so we can go?
Yeah. Just stay here with the equipment. I'll be right back.
All right.
With the equipment? What about us?
Unlock my fucking door.
I don't trust anyone.